place in your accounts what I have written. But now I have used +1 for the green plug. Now I am going to use the symbol plus, which I am writing in a different color, because this plus means adding. It is an operation. That positive sign here was a property of the positive sign, was the property of plus sign here, means I am adding. The same symbol, let's now understand. I'm going to write a problem. +3 plus +2. Put that in your accounts. And Nandita, what answer do you get?
+5.
+5. This is a class 1, first standard problem, which we have done. And we will see that addition of signed integers is not much more difficult than first standard addition. Are we ready to go to the next problem? The next problem is, I write it here, -3 plus -2. What is your answer? Gyanjyoti?
-5.
-5. So I'm going to write here now that -2 plus -3 is equal to -5. -3 plus -2 is -5. And earlier we saw that +3 plus +2 is +5 also. Now let's go to the next problem. Are you ready? The next problem is, what is +3 plus Gyanjyoti, what do you get as the answer?
-3.
Why is it -3? Look at your account. Put the plugs together. One red and one green. So what is the value of your account?
1 positive.
1 positive. So why did you get -3? Your value is +1. Okay. Now, are we ready to do one more problem? So the answer to this, positive 3 plus negative 2 is positive 1. Okay, let's go to another problem now. Negative 3 plus positive 2. Gyan Jyoti?
1 negative.
Negative 1. Right? So I give you a marker and write the answer. Okay. Negative 1. Negative 3 plus positive 2 is negative 1. Okay. Next problem is to Nandita. The problem is negative 3 plus positive 1.
Negative 3 plus positive 1 is equal to negative 2.
Negative 2. Okay. Now this is something which you have done using plugs. Are we ready to do some problems now in your mind without using plugs? Okay, but if you have a problem while thinking about it, go ahead and use plugs. Okay? I'm going to write the problems one by one on this piece of paper, and each question is I will name the person for whom it is. I'm putting them in brackets. Gyan Jyoti?
Positive 4.
Positive 4. Okay. Again to Gyan Jyoti.
Zero.
Negative 2 plus negative 2.
Negative 4.
Negative 4. Right? Correct. Okay, I'll write this as negative 4. Next question, again to Gyan Jyoti. Positive 2 plus negative 2.
Zero.
0. Okay. Next question to Nandita.
-2.
-2. Very good. Gyan Jyoti?
+2.
+2. Now, this is for all the participants who are participating on YouTube or Facebook Live. You have to do these problems yourself mentally, and if you need to, you can use plugs, but I think by now it should not be difficult to do these problems in your mind without using plugs. So now we have learnt about addition of signed integers. As we had discussed in the beginning, it is not much more difficult than class 1 addition. You just have to keep the account of the plugs, and you know that one positive and one negative combine to make 0. So you combine the positive and negatives to make zeros. You don't have to count the zeros. What remains is what you have to count, and that is very simple. That's just class 1 mathematics. So now from here on we will go forward to discussing subtraction.